this is the process of getting stuff going. I have so many grains and stuff to put away when I'm done here. I got the bag, 50-pound bag open over there in the tub and all the grains out. And I got the list here. This is going to be a 10-gallon batch of apple cinnamon beer. So a lot of grains I got to get grinding. By the time I'm done, this pail is going to be full. I'm sure it's going to be full before I dough in. And we'll show that process. But yeah, and the tub full of grains over there. Like I said, I placed a double order. This is actually insane, but I got enough to make, I don't know. As you can see, got a full bucket here of grain all the way up to here. Oh, I forget what I got here. I said 10, 12, or 10, 14, 16, 17, 21, 22, 24 pounds of grain we got in this bucket here for the apple cinnamon. We stirred it up. There's all kinds of goodies in here. We'll put it in a recipe. And there's cinnamon sticks, all that good stuff. Some flake. All the stuff that's going to give me a stuck mash is in this bag. All the flake wheats, flake rice, flake barley, flake this, flake that. Okay, back on making homemade muslin bags out of the things here. I measure off approximately, I don't know, 10 inches to a foot. Cut them with some good scissors right across there. How you doing? In this case, I got 2 ounces of Warrior hops going in this batch, or pellets. They go in the bag. I got the other end tied off already with a loop. I just take a string here. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. You take a string and just tie off the bottom of the bag. Tie her down, tie her tight, and you're good to go. There's one homemade bag with a loop. And there's I don't need all that string on there. I'll cut some off. But there's 2 ounces of Warrior hops ready to go into the mix. So I got to make up a couple more bags for the cinnamon sticks. I got to label these Warriors, so I don't want to get them goofed up. And we'll measure out the, in this case, it's going to be another 3 ounces of Willamette hops. 3 ounces. Boy, I hope I got 3 ounces in here, or Willamette. I got another package in the fridge. 3 ounces of the Willamette hops go in next. So what I'll do is I'll take a string. I'll pull off a little bit here on the sheet. And I'll just set the string in there like this. Come across. I'm not a good tire. Make sure there's enough material in there. Pull it tight. I like to do a double knot. Why wouldn't I? Because I do. That's how I do things. Then we'll tie this on here. Just together, so I got a little handle to go over the kettle. And it's easier to clean up later. So that's that part. Measure off about 10 inches. Maybe a little bit bigger in this case because I got more hops. Maybe a foot. Take the bag. How you doing? Open it up again. Carefully dump the hops in there. There's 3 ounces of Willamette hops. Screw it on down. Another piece of string here. Just to tie it closed. I got to remember to label these or I'm not going to know what the additions are. Warrior is the first addition on this batch of beer. That we know to be true. Well, that don't take too long to do this, and it saves you a lot of money on the bags, I'll tell you that. And here's the next one. Going in 3 ounces of Willamette. Again, 18 to 20 cinnamon sticks. In this case, we got 20, I believe. We'll put these in a bag also. So it just makes the cleanup a lot easier in the boil kettle. So we got 20 small cinnamon sticks in there. And after 20 cinnamon sticks, we need, according to the recipe, we need 12 cloves. Ay, ay, ay. We'll put those right in the same bag here. And we'll measure.
First 2, 4, 6, 8, 10,
12. That's fine. 12 to 14 ain't gonna hurt nothing. Get the rest of these little pieces picked up here. I got clove powder, but I like the sticks myself. And put those right in with the cinnamon sticks. Done with the cloves. We're done with the cinnamon. Allspice will go in a powder form. And then we're just going to go ahead and tie up this cinnamon bag here. And we know exactly what's in there. It's 20 cinnamon sticks and 12 to 14 cloves. And that's going to hang on the side of the kettle too. Like I said, this is a 10-gallon batch. There we go. So we got everything ready for tomorrow's brew, I do believe, besides the water, the chemistry of the water, pH, all that stuff that goes with that. I need allspice I have to take with me yet. Cloves, we're done using those. Whole cloves, cinnamon sticks, all good to go there. All the hops are ready to go. And put these back away in the fridge up here for now. And we'll hit them into the basement later. 3 jugs, 49 ounce apiece, of Mott's applesauce, unsweetened applesauce, will be going in the apple cinnamon brew, along with 2 pounds of raw honey and 2 pounds of homemade amber candy sugar.